this is David from MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. I am standing on a 2020 21-foot Harris Sun Cruiser. This boat is powered with a 115 Mercury Pro XS. Very powerful motor, very torquey, does this boat very well. Also has a ski tow bar. As you see, the boat is black sapphire with a champagne accent. Also has an almond interior. This particular model is the center walk-through design, as I mentioned before, in almond color. Has a 12-foot bimini top, plenty of shade. All of the cushions are hinged. This particular one has a garbage can underneath it. This one just has additional storage. Moving forward to the helm, has a high back recliner. This chair swivels, adjustable up, down, front, and back as an option from Harris. On the helm, we have a JL audio system with a convenience package with docking lights, interior lighting, cup holder lighting, all the options you need for a good day on the water. Moving to the other side of the boat, on the port side, we have a collapsible change house, which tucks away very nicely when you don't need it. You can also slip a porta potty in there if you desire. Plenty of room, plenty of storage. There's an additional table that can be mounted front or rear on this model for entertaining guests, your glasses of wine, your drinks, bottles of water, what have you. This boat is available anytime at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. My name is David. Phone number is 973-810-4522. Thank you.